Hello, good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do science revision. So just write your name and start with it. Okay, so this is page number 1. Let's start with question number 1. Circle the sun in the morning and cross the noon sun. Okay, so first we will see where the sun is coming up. Okay, the sun starts to come up from the east, which is on your left side. So we will see where the sun is coming up from the left side. Can you find where the sun is in the morning? Very good. Well done, guys. This one is the correct answer. Now we have to cross the noon sun. So just think when it's midday or the noon, where is the sun? Yes, you are right. The sun should be right on top. The sun should be in the middle. So just find the noon sun and put a cross on it. Well done again. I know you guys are very smart. You must have found the correct answer. Now, question number 2. Color the snowy weather. So, there are 3 pictures. Can't you tell me which weather is in the first picture? Where the man is carrying an umbrella. Right, it's rainy weather. It's not snowy. We have to color the snowy weather. In the next picture, the second picture, a girl is playing in the snow. So, of course, it is the snowy weather, right? Because she is playing in the snow and it's cold and she's wearing a cap and a jacket. So, this must be snowy weather, right? Yes. Which weather is in the third picture? We can see there is a lush green tree and a sun and a boy is eating an ice cream. So it must be a sunny weather, right? Right. But which weather do we have to color? We have to color the snowy weather. So let's color the snowy weather. So here we can see we have all colored the snowy weather. I know you can color better than me, right? I'm sure. Yes. So you have turned the page and you can see question number 3. What do we have to do on question number 3? We have to circle the picture with a different size. So you must find a picture which is bigger or smaller than all the other pictures. Can you find it? Is it a bigger one or a smaller one? Find it and circle it. Yes, correct. It's a train. I'm sure all of you are very intelligent and you would circle the correct object. Now, we have to do question number 4. Put a cross on the person making the loud sound. So in first picture, we can see that one girl is whispering in the ear of another girl. Is whispering a loud sound? No, of course not. And in the other picture, a person is shouting in the loudspeaker. So does loudspeaker makes a loud sound? Of course it does. So we have to put a cross on the person who is making a loud sound. Let's do it and see what you do. Bravo, guys! You have chosen the correct person. Well done! I'm very proud of you. Now let's go to the next page and question number 5. Alright, so question number 5 says, circle what happens when the water is cooled. So just think, when we cool the water, it turns into solid, liquid, or gas. Do you remember states of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas. So when we cool the water, it turns into solid or gas. There are two pictures here. One is ice, which is solid, and the other one is water vapors, steam, which is gas. So when we cool the water, what does it turn into? Do you know? Just circle the option and let's see what you do. Excellent, guys. I'm sure all of you are very smart and you must have chosen the correct answer. Now come to question number 6. Circle what happens when egg is heated. So what do you think? There are two pictures here. In first picture, a fried egg is in a plate which you usually have for breakfast. And in the other picture is a raw egg in liquid form when you crack the egg open. So which one do you think is the egg after being heated? Is it the raw one or the cooked one? Just circle the correct answer and let's see which one you get. The right one or the wrong one? I'm sure you'll get the right one. Well done, dear. I'm proud of you. Now, turn to the next page and start question number 7. So, question number 7 says, draw two things that gives off light. So here you can see two boxes. You have to draw one picture in each box which gives off light. So let's think. Which things gives off light? Do you have any ideas? So I'm giving you few options here. First is a candle. When there's no light, what do? We put on a candle. We light a candle. Yes. So candle is something which gives off light. Yes? Yes. One more thing I can think of which gives us light is a lamp. Yes, we turn on a lamp when we need light. So you can draw any one of these things in the first box. I have given you more options, but you have to draw only two things, one in each box. All right? Now let's think. What other things gives off light? So, another thing which gives us light is a sun. Yes, a sun. I know you must have thought of it because this is the natural source of light. Sun gives light to us and to the plants also, right? Yes. So what else gives us light? One more thing which gives off light is fire. Of course, fire gives us light. In old ancient times, when people did not have candles or lamps, they used fire for lights. Still, some people use fire for light. Even a candle has fire which gives us light, right? So, again, I'm repeating, you only have to draw two things here. So you can choose any two of these things and you can draw them. One picture in one box. Right? I'm sure you get it. Okay, now go to next page and to the next question. Here we have to do question number 8. Circle all things that give off heat. So here you can see many things, but you have to think which of them give off heat. We have to color all the pictures which give off heat. So, does a loudspeaker give us heat? No, of course not. And a t-shirt, does it give us heat? No. You're right. A pencil, does pencil give us heat? Of course not. That's silly, right? A candle. If you put a hand on top of the candle, burning candle, do you feel heat? Yes, of course we feel heat. So a candle gives off heat. Next is a dryer. When we put wet clothes in the dryer gives heat to them and dry the wet clothes. So of course a dryer gives off heat. And the next picture is sun. And you all are very smart, I know. The sun also gives off heat. So a candle, a dryer, and sun gives off heat. You have to color all of these objects which give off heat. Yes, so we have to color all of the objects which give off heat. A candle, a dryer, and the sun give off heat, right? Excellent, outstanding. I'm proud of all of you. So on this page, we have to do question number 9. And question number 9 is draw a spring tree. You can see a stem. Now, think, what does spring tree looks like? Does spring tree have dried leaves? No, of course not. Which tree has dried leaves? A fall tree, right. So the spring tree has fresh green leaves, lot of them, right? And does spring tree have flowers or not? Yes, spring tree has flowers and summer tree does not have flowers. So we will make a green tree with lots of flowers on them. Draw it and let's see how it looks. The drawing should look something like this. I know you can draw way better than I can. So just draw a nice tree with green fresh leaves and flowers, which should look something like this one, right? So this one was the last question. Take pictures of all of the pages of the revision sheet and send them to me. Okay? I'll be waiting for your science revision sheet. Take care and bye-bye. The drawing should look something like this. I know you can draw way better than I can. So just draw a nice tree with green fresh leaves and flowers, which should look something like this one, right? So this one was the last question. Take pictures of all of the pages of the revision sheet and send them to me. Okay? I'll be waiting for your science revision sheet. Take care and bye bye.